How to transfer money from Direct Express to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to transfer money from Direct Express to Cash App. First, open the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the app's homepage. Once you are here, tap on the profile icon that appears at the top right corner of the screen. On this screen, you are in the Account and Settings menu, where you can update your personal information, adjust security preferences, and manage your connected payment methods. Scroll down past the Personal Information section and tap Linked Banks to view, edit, or add your connected bank accounts and debit cards. So tap on Add Debit Card. On this screen, you are on the Link Debit Card page where you can connect your Direct Express card to your Cash App account. Type in your 16-digit Direct Express card number, followed by the expiration date, CVV security code, and zip code in the fields provided. Once all your card details are entered, tap Link Card at the bottom to save your payment method and return to your account menu. On the main homepage, you are at the central screen where you can view your balance and manage your account options. Tap the Money tab, the bank icon or balance total located in the bottom left corner of the display to open your balance options. Next, tap Add Money, then type or select the exact dollar amount you want to transfer from your Direct Express card. Finally, tap Add at the bottom and confirm the transaction using your PIN or Touch ID/Face ID to complete the transfer. I hope this tutorial has helped you move funds into your balance. Thanks. That is how to transfer money from Direct Express to Cash App.